Hi, we will be discussing about the string manipulation in C++ in this video. String class, we know about the string class. It includes many constructors, member functions, and operators. We can make use of constructor, operator, and member function to achieve this. These are the functions that we can do over a string. We can create a string object, we can read string objects from the keyboard, we can display the string objects onto the screen, we can find a substring from a string, we can modify a particular string, we can add various objects of a string, we can compare the strings, we can access a particular character from a string, we can obtain the size of a string. These are the various functions that we can do over a string. And some important functions supported by string class are append, assign, at, begin, capacity, compare, empty, end, erase, find, length, swap. These are some of the important functions supported by a string class. The append function, it adds a part of a string to another string. Assign is assign a partial string. At, this function can be used to obtain the character at a particular location. Begin, this function returns a reference to the start of a string. Capacity function gives a total element that can be stored. Compare a string, again is invoking. And empty, this function can return true if suppose the string is empty. End, it returns a reference to the end of string. Erase, it removes the character at a specified location. Find, it will search for the occurrence of a particular string, whether it is available or not, at which position it is available. And the next function is length, it gives the size of a particular string. Swap, this perform the swap exchange against the invoked one. For example, one function is a substring substr. Let us see the working example of this statements. String is a class. We create an object and we initialize the value to that particular object so that the text word can have the text hello world, this is a text. And the next object we create fragment. From the particular text, given text, we find the substring. We start from 6th position. So already we have 5 characters in this position. So after that, the 6th position. From the 6th position, it may start, sometimes it will start with a 0. So here this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 6th position, the text word W starts with the 6th position. From there 5 is given. So here from it begins the content of the substring. It begins from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 5 characters will be extracted from this given string. That is a substring. That substring word is extracted from the given text and it is assigned to the variable fragment. So the variable fragment will contain the world. And the next function is erasing and replacing. Here let us consider this example. The text has a value, this is the text. Here we are going to erase a part of a text using the erase member function. Here the beginning and end of the substring is given. That part will be removed from the original text. Original text is given. It's here the text starts with the index 0, 0, 1, 2. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5th position. From here, 5 characters. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This part will be removed. So that is removed from the original text. The text after erasing, the content will have only this text. So here we are going to replace that position by was. So here the text contains this is a text. We are going to replace from the 5th position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here in the 5th position only I is removed and was is included so that the text can be replaced. This is the text can be replaced by this was a text by using this replace function. This erase function will remove a part of a string from the given text, from the invoking text, and here any changes can be done. We don't remove here, just we replace that content by another content by using this replace function. Some more example is given here in this example. String 1, it initializes str1 will contain the string, and the string 2 of string 1 means this content will be assigned to this. This str2 can be initialized by str1, and here the third function is str3. This is a new string we are creating. From the fifth position we can replace for the 5 positions we can assign the hash symbol by this function. This is string object str3 is created for 5 positions. Hash can be occupied. Here it is given. This is the output of a first string, this is the output of second string, and this is the output of third string str3, and the fourth string is created and we initialize some values, that is string 1. In a string 1 index 6th, the letters with the 6th position, from that up to 6 characters can be initialized to the variable string 4, so that str1 is this, and here 6th position is find out 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 is string. This is the 6th position letter. From there 6 characters 1 2 3 4 5 6 characters are extracted and it is assigned to the variable str4. And for str5, another part of a string, that is str2 beginning is 0, and the str2 beginning is 0 plus 5, that is 5. 0 to 5 position from string 2. String 2 is this 5th. This is 0 1 2 3 4 5 here. So from 5 next 5 characters can be extracted from the beginning, that is 0 1 2 3 4 5. From the beginning 5 characters are extracted and it is stored into the variable string 5. So this is how the manipulations can be done. Many functions are also there. This is some functions we have discussed in this video. Thank you.